Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun gingerbread card using the scrapbook.com gingerbread bundle. This bundle includes this paper pad in A2 size, which comes with patterned paper and coordinating solid colored paper, this sheet of clear stamps, and these dies to make gingerbread cookies. I have went ahead and pre-cut everything. The white strips are 1/2 inch by 4.25 inches, the brown strips are 1 inch by 4.25 inches, and the red hearts are just cut using a Sizzix die. I cut each gingerbread person out of the same brown as the strips and used a darker red for the hats, scarves, and bows. I used red, brown, and a sheet of pattern paper from this paper pad that's included in the bundle. For the first set of people, I started with the Santa hat, which I assembled the pom-pom and the fuzz around the hat and attached it at an angle on the head. Followed it with the red scarf. Now it's time for the icing. I have started with the arms and used the lighter squiggle line die, and for the legs, I used the more squiggly one. And each gingerbread person comes with icing buttons and eyes and a smile. The second set of people, I start by attaching the bow at an angle on the head, and there's an icing neckband. And the bottom of the skirt for each person has 2 icing lines that make up the dress skirt. I added the icing buttons and face and finished off with the icing for the arms. I had to trim off a bit of the excess, but that's okay. For the sentiment, I attached the white strip to the center of the brown strip with liquid adhesive, and I like to use my cutting map to help me line up as center as I can. And then I attached the strip about 1/2 inch from the bottom of the pattern paper. To stamp the sentiment, I used my MISTI. It is good for lining up sentiments and making sure the paper doesn't move. I chose this brown ink from Tailored Expressions for the sentiment to coordinate with the colors. The heart goes in the center, and I used foam squares to raise it off the card map. And also used some foam squares on the people for added dimension and placed them in the top center of the heart. I wanted to add some shine to the card, so I pulled out these peel-off strips I got from Love from Lizzie. I am new to these, but I saw another creator using them and I loved the look. I'm just going to trim off the extra to keep for a later project. To end it all off, I attached the mats to these white card bases in A2 size. I made 3 slightly different cards, and I love how they turned out. I will have links in the description to the products I use, and I hope you have been inspired to create some fun gingerbread cards. Thanks for watching, and have a crafty day.